Hey there, I just wanted to introduce myself and get you excited about math at Grossmont High School. I'm Mrs. Hoban, and I'm looking forward to guiding you in your learning as we persevere in your problem solving together during this 9-week quarter. We will be using the learning management system called Schoology. All assignments and activities will be delivered through there to help you explore the concepts and allow me to give you feedback along the way. Video conferences through Zoom will allow us to gather in a live setting, and it'll give you the opportunity to investigate by thinking in first draft. Learning is a process that you must actively be a part of. It's expected that you will keep track of how you are doing and speak up or private message me when anything is not clear to you. We will also have to be patient with one another as we learn online. You will need to coach me when something is less than helpful and encourage me when you enjoy learning in a specific way. I'm here to help you with math. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you need anything. Okay? Grossmont is a great place to learn and to get to know people in your community and grow in the process. I'm excited to get to know you, and our first assignment will help us to do that. So I'm going to show you how to log in to Schoology. So from your home screen, you're going to look at your bookmarks toolbar, and you're going to click on GUHSD, and you're going to find the one that says Schoology. Notice that it says GUHSD Schoology, and then you're going to log in with your @GUHSD.net school email address. If you have other personal email addresses on your Chromebook, that's fine. Just make sure you always use your school one for your schoolwork. Okay. Then you should have 5 to 6 classes listed here and shown, even classes that you're not enrolled in yet. Okay, so you'll click on the class, your math class that has me listed as your instructor, and you're going to notice that there's the Zoom link right at the top. So period 3 needs to attend on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and period 5 needs to attend on Wednesdays and Fridays. And then there's this course business folder. So if you go into the course business folder, there's some things you need to attend to, but then you're going to start with week 1. And the first week 1 item is an activity just for me to get to know you, because so I don't get to see you walk in my door like I should. And I can't give you a smile and welcome you. So I don't know about you, and I don't get to overhear your conversations with other people. So I want to know a little bit about you and what kind of person you're like. So the first activity is to teach me about you, and it'll give you an opportunity to do an easy assignment and get to be familiar with Schoology. Okay? All right, so as you progress through the week in Schoology, you're going to go into the week 1 folder. You can also look over here on the right, and it will show you a calendar of what's going to be due coming up. It will not only show you the assignments from my class, but your other classes as well. And then you can, if you run into any questions, you can ask me during the Zoom meetings. And if you are really stuck, just send me an email and I can email you back. All right. Looking forward to getting your first assignment turned in, called About Me. And so you're just going to tell me about you, and that there's no math involved. All right. So we'll see you soon. All right.